So, you want to know how to get YouTube Premium in 2025? Well, it's really simple. What you have to do is go to the YouTube website, wait for it to load up. It's taking a bit of time, but it's okay. In the meantime, how about you like and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of useful tutorials you can use into day-to-day life. So, after it's logged in, you're gonna click on your profile. Then I want you to click on settings. You're gonna see billing and payment in the left tab. So you're gonna click on it. After that, you're gonna go to account. You're gonna scroll down and click on membership. So right now it says you have no membership. So you click on get YouTube premium. After that, it will take you to this page. You're gonna click on try one month for free, individual. And after that, it will give you this portal where you will put on your Visa or your credit card and you're gonna click on buy. And just like that, you have YouTube Premium now, and that's it.